Hi, good day. So, welcome po sa next video natin. At this time, we are going to change the status from conciliation to arbitration kasi hindi pa rin siya na settle doon sa conciliation. So, we just click change status here and then arbitration, click proceed. Yan. So, sa arbitration, automatically, yung color natin is pink. Yung kulay natin is pink here. And also sa case history, natay arbitration dire. Okay? So, generate forms. Ang forms niya is for arbitration forms na. So, same gihapon na siya na ay mga fields sa tagkinahanglan. Notice of hearing for failure to appear. Wala siya ni adto, tagaan siya og notice of hearing. Subpoena and then arbitration award. Okay, naana po diha ang mga fields. Inyo na lang ibutang and then repudiation kung ma-repudiate. Okay. So that's it for the arbitration and then for example, na-settle siya sa arbitration, no? We just click change status and then click settled. Yan. So, for example, we will click proceed and then agreement. So, pag na-settle gani siya, meaning to say there are stated agreements between two parties. So, for example, this one here is, I don't remember the case, so let's just say some statements na lang. Agreed. Placed here. Yan. Okay, and then you click done. If you want to edit again, you click edit, you click done, and then you click save. And also you can add plus or minus, yan. Para kuan man ni siya, naka-enumeration. Okay? Some agreed, yan. Let's put 2. For example, let's put 3. Okay, yan. Tapos done mo lang, save. Okay, so once saved na ang agreements nato diri sa ubos. Okay? So this is now for execution. Kasi when we click change status, wala pa siya ato ma-execute. Pero na-settle na siya sa hearing. Pero wala pa siya na-execute. For example, nangayo siya og payment for damages. So wala pa man siya na bayri, meaning to say for execution pa siya. Okay? So natay mga forms dire, amicable settlement form, motion for execution, tanan forms ay kinahanglan for the execution is given right here. Tapos, for example, if nagbayad na, then we go change status and then executed or not yet executed. But in our case, let's just click executed. Yan. So, na-execute na ni siya. So, when we go settled cases, ayan, kita na dyan, no? Executed. So, this case, save 2024-1, damages, complainant is Lovanjesa Bisinga, respondent is John Michael Bisinga, period of execution, is this one is now executed. So, tapos na po yung case process natin. Okay? Pero we can always view dito para matanaw nato ang iyahang summary. So, case history dire. Kita ninyo ang summary diha. Okay? And also, if you want to check or search for a specific case, you just click one here. Kani siya, the magnifying glass, and then type mo lang dyan. Name ng complainant or respondent or the docket number. Lovanjesa, automatically kasi this one is already been given sa table kasi isa lang yung entry natin. And also, if you notice on the dashboard, we have settled cases 1 already. If we click this one, ayan, ihatag niya sa ato. And then click the profile, we will proceed to the profile again. And then this is civil case. And also, if you notice on the graph below, tumaas na yung dito. This is 1. And this will continue to rise depende doon sa mga entries natin. Okay? So that's it for the arbitration to settled. So next video is dito naman tayo sa by the way, ito po yung mga tables natin. So when you click change status, automatically mawala na siya dito sa, di ba diri siya gikan sa arbitration, diri pud siya gikan sa conciliation, mawala na siya dito, matransfer siya sa settled cases. Automatic yan. Okay? So on the next video, we will discuss reports, what is reports, how to print reports, and unsaon pud ning quarterly, semestral, and so on and so forth. See you in the next video.